Ooh, let's go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and boom! Hello everyone, this is Tamar Selvi. I'm from South India, Bangalore city. The presets and filters that you saw right now are from the selfie and photo editing application B612. So what is today's video going to be all about? It is going to be how to shoot a time lapse in your camera with the settings information and how exactly you can spot the sky and stuff. So I don't want to talk too much, so let's quickly get into the video and see how I got it done. Okay, so I feel like this part of the sky is going to be pretty interesting in some time. So here's my camera. Go to menu. Yeah, here's my time-lapse settings. Let me enable it. So if you see here, there are a number of settings. So first let me talk about the interval. Interval is nothing but it is going to take one picture every 2 seconds. You can change these details from here. Okay, and then the number of shots is it is going to take 300 pictures. So these are the two details that you'll have to enter. You need 300 pictures and it's going to click one picture every 2 seconds. So the total duration the camera needs to do this process is 9 minutes 58 seconds. That's roughly around 10 minutes, and the output footage is going to be for 10 seconds. So let me set OK, and I'm just gonna place my camera and start recording the sky. So if you look at the screen, it is like correctly exposed for the current sky, but then I am going to brighten up a little bit because we are shooting in a sunset and it is going to get darker and darker by time. So when it is going to the end part, the sky is going to look really colorful, and we really don't want our footage to be underexposed at that point of time, because that is exactly the fruit of the video we're trying to capture. So if it is a little bit overexposed now, when the sky goes down and gets colorful and a little darker, it's going to be correctly exposed here. So I'm going to record. Cool. And it has started. Hello. So I've just left my camera for time lapse and it's just running, and I thought by that time I had to tell you guys something really important from my previous video. But wait, doesn't this look boring? I mean, I want to look better. Let's do something. Boom. Hi. Wow, that looks nice. If you are wondering how I got this filter, tones and all this stuff, it is from B612. I'm recording this video right now from B612. So try installing B612 and try exploring all their presets, filters, effects and all of those stuff. And there's a lot of creative content inside that single application. So let me just try switching a few filters and let's see what it looks like. Hey, look at that subtle tone. Looks nice. Let's see one more. This looks digital and vintage, contrasting. Nice. Let's see one more. Some vintage stuff, some white dust and dull tone. Looks nice. Here you go. That looks really nice. Very dull and vintage. You all know I'm a very big fan of vintage and dull tones. This is really nice. So what was said that I wanted to talk to you guys about was, my previous video was about how I went through COVID and how I recovered from it. I had also mentioned that we had a pre-birthday celebration and it all started from there, and a lot of you questioned me, what happened to your friends who gathered at your place? That was a very important part for me to cover in the previous video, but unfortunately I just got carried away because my camera battery kept switching off and I had to put in a lot of content into my video. I totally missed the part about what happened to my friends. So unfortunately they all fell into COVID. first my friend called me up and she told me that she is sick and not feeling well. I told, just keep calm, do not spread the tension to everyone else, and let's observe what's happening. And then my other friend also called me and she's like, Macha, when I am not feeling well. And then we got to know officially, okay, everyone is not feeling well, and congratulations, we all are into COVID. So we had to go through it together, but it's actually nice when all of us are together into COVID at different places. We're not able to meet, but we talk every day on calls, on video calls, conference calls, and then just express what we're experiencing every day. Like, Macha, I lost my taste, and then she be like, Macha, I can't smell anything, and then one more girl like, my back is aching. So that was so much fun. We literally knew on the other side that we all might die, but still we had our fun. We had as much fun as possible on calls and texts and stuff. And at one point of time, due to anxiety and stuff, we had little arguments, and one of my friend even stopped talking to me because of issues. All of that happened, but luckily and fortunately, every one of us safe. We are fine, and we all have recovered. One girl named Spurti, she did not get affected by COVID. She was with us, but she somehow escaped. I don't know what kind of vaccine is running in her blood. I have to tell Indian government to test her body, that every one of us got COVID, but that girl did not get COVID. So this is what happened to my friends. Thanks to everyone who were concerned about my friends. I think the time lapse would have been done by now. Let me go check. मुझे तुम मेरी याद होगी जिधर जाओगे तुम, कभी नगमा बनकर, कभी बनके आंसू, कभी नगमा बनकर, कभी बनके आंसू, तड़पता मुझे हर तरफ पाओगे। I hope you got an idea how to shoot a time-lapse video in your camera. You might also tell me that this happens in just one click in my mobile phone. Why do I really have to do so much of a process in my camera to get a time-lapse video shot? See, phones have their own perks and cameras have their own perks. I understand that in a phone you just have to give a click and then it starts recording and it gives you output. But in cameras, you really have all the manual settings of how you want your output to be. You can choose the video duration, the video speed, how many shots should it take, and in what intervals it should take. But then in phones, it completely depends on the phone. It's going to give you an output and that is your output. You really can't control over it. But then again, both of them have their own perks. So anyway, if any of you tried shooting a time-lapse video, do share it on Instagram and tag me. This is my Instagram ID. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you found this video useful, do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And bye. Lipstick. I don't like this shade. I really need to buy a new one.